Friends, welcome to SF German Language Institute. My name is Anand, and this is the sixth video of our complete series of Goethe A2 exam preparation. In this video, we are going to talk about Goethe A2 Lesen module Teil 4, that is part 4. As usual, if you have seen in earlier videos, I will solve one question paper, explain in detail, and then you have to solve second question paper. Let's check how is this Lesen module 4 part, Lesen module Teil 4. Okay, that is part 4. Now we will see Teil 4 of Lesen, Goethe Certificate A2 Lesen Teil 4. So in this, what exactly happens? You get here 5 purpose to fulfill, or you want to do something, not you particularly, someone else, and you have to help them to find something for them. Now what is this? They want to do something, and you need to help them to find something. Means here, for example, Sarah heiratet bald und möchte mit vielen Gästen in einem Lokal feiern. She wants to get married, and she wants to celebrate with many guests in one restaurant. Means what? You need to find one restaurant where she can celebrate with many guests. And then on the next page, there will be some websites or advertisements given. Okay, so now here it is given website. Next time there can be some advertisement posters, and you need to understand which of these advertisement is helpful for Sarah. Okay, so now like this, there are 6 advertisements and 5 different people, they want to do something and you have to help them. Okay, find the right advertisement for them. And but this is bit tricky here. How is it tricky? Beispiel, 0 number, D answer is already selected. That means out of 6, 1 is already gone. Okay, and one of these questions will have no answer, and you have to, instead of writing alphabets there, you have to cross that, you have to put there capital X, but that is not there in the advertisement. Okay, means what? For one person there is no advertisement there. Means out of 6, 1 is selected for Beispiel. Now remaining are 5, but out of 5 only 4 you need to select here, because one of the question will have no advertisement, one of the purpose has no advertisement to solve. Okay, so let's see here. We are going to read all these like questions first, so that we understand what we need to find out. Okay, once we know who wants what, and then we read all the advertisement, we'll remember, acha, ha, this advertisement can be helpful for Sarah, Petra, Jens, Carsten. You can see the names there. Yeah, Gabriel. So first one, Sarah heiratet bald und möchte mit vielen Gästen in einem Lokal feiern. So you need to find one restaurant where she can celebrate with many guests. Petra will, number 17, Petra will mit Geschäftspartnern in der Stadt essen gehen und über die Arbeit sprechen. She wants to go with her business partner for food, for eating in one restaurant in the city, in their Stadt, in the city, und über die Arbeit sprechen. So you need to find out one restaurant in the city where with the business partner one can sit, discuss and eat as well. Number 18, Ernst fired seinen Geburtstag zu Hause. This is very important. Huh? He is celebrating his birthday at home. Und möchte guten Wein anbieten. That means Jens wants someone to deliver wine at home, or at least take away. He can go and buy wine. So we need to find some advertisement for Jens. Okay. Then 19. Carsten lädt am Abend Gäste zu sich nach Hause ein. She is inviting guests at home for food for in the evening. Möchte aber nicht kochen. She doesn't want to cook. Means what? She wants someone to deliver food. So you need to find some restaurant that delivers food at home. Okay. And then Gabriel und ihre Tochter feiern Kinders Geburtstag. They are celebrating kids' birthday. Und möchten Kuchen essen gehen. And they want to go to eat cake. Not at home. They don't want delivery. They want to go somewhere and eat cake. Okay, so this is the these five purposes we have, these five people, and we need to help them. So let's read the advertisement one by one, and I will mention, I will note down the answers here on the right side. Okay, it is 16, 17, then 18, 19, and 20. Okay, let's find the answers. Number, like A, text A or Anzeige A. Selbstgemachte Torte. One second. I got pop-up on the screen. Oh. A. Selbstgemachte Torten, Kuchen und italienisches Eis. Italian ice cream. Große Sonnenterrasse. A big terrace. So Sonnenterrasse means open terrace, you can call it. Mit Spielplatz. With play area. Alles auch zum Mitnehmen. Everything you can also take away. I mean, you can also take away the cake and ice cream. Täglich außer montags von 14 bis 19 Uhr geöffnet. Every day, except Monday. Every day it is open at this time. Okay, fine. But cake is available there. One can go and eat there, right? So, do we have something like that this advertisement will help? Yes. 20 number. Gabriel und ihre Tochter feiern Kindergeburtstag und möchten Kuchen essen gehen. Want to go eat cake. So this 20 number, and the answer is A. So we'll write it down here. We found it. A. And now let's read the second one. Egal. Egal means what? Doesn't matter. Wo sie feiern wollen. Doesn't matter where you want to celebrate. We are liefern. Liefern is to deliver. You should. That's why I always say to my students, like, focus more on vocab. And I also keep giving them different tips how to improve vocab, how what to do and all. But most of the students they ignore. And then here after exam they ask me, Anand, there was some word liefern. I don't know what was that, and I couldn't understand what is the answer of my question then. So liefern is to deliver. Für ihre Hochzeit oder andere Privatfeiern bestes Essen. So this restaurant delivers food for your marriage or any other private celebration. We have someone who wants to get food delivered, right? Who is that? Who is that? 19 number Carsten lädt am Gäste zu sich nach Hause ein, möchte aber nicht kochen. So 19 number, she doesn't want to cook, she wants food to be delivered. And this is her private celebration. Friends are coming. So 19 number, and the answer is B. Bay. Okay, I'm explaining, I'm talking too much, I know that, but that's why it is taking time. Okay, in exam, you will not think this much, you will not talk this much, so you will find answers quickly. So, but this is tricky because one of the purpose has no advertisement. Okay, so let's see now. Say, Internationale Spezialitäten, beste Wein. Jetzt neu. Jeden Tag anderes Drei-Gänge-Menü mit Getränke ab 20 Euro pro Person. Im Sommer auch in unserem ruhigen Garten. Sie finden uns direkt hinter dem Rathaus. Hinter dem Rathaus means town hall. Town hall कहाँ पे होता है? City में होता है. तो like someone is saying, they are saying, okay, you find us directly behind the Rathaus. Town hall means this is somewhere in the city, inside the city, and we know someone wants a restaurant inside the city where can go with Geschäftspartner, business partner, and discuss work. Schöne Räume für kleine Feiern, small rooms for small celebration or maybe small meetings. Okay, so this C is the answer to one of the person here. Okay, Petra, 17 number. Petra will meet Geschäftspartner in der Stadt Essen gehen. She wants to go in the city, okay, for food. Und über die Arbeitssprechen. So 17 number, the answer is, what is that answer? 17 number? Say. So C goes to 17. Okay, next. Urlaub in the okay, day is all, D is already selected. Okay, so we need not to discuss that because that is the answer to that Beispiel example wala question. Okay, now A, Spiel plus Spaß. Okay, Spiel, playing. There was nothing related to play. Okay, playing and having fun. So, auf über 2500 Quadratmeter auch bei schlechtem Wetter spielen und toben. So, there is nothing we are looking for this kind of place. Okay, tolle Geburtstag parties with super program. Geburtstag party, no. We wanted to just eat cake outside, so that we already found. Getränke inclusive English, okay. None of this purposes, like, or no one needs this advertisement. So A is answer to none of the questions. Okay, now next is das Ausflugsrestaurant im Teufelsmoor. Mit dem Bus nur 20 Minuten vom Zentrum. With the bus, only 20 minutes from the center, city center. Norddeutsche Küche. Okay, mit Terrasse direkt am See. With terrace and it is direct on sea. Sie suchen ein Ort für Ihre Familienfest. Are you searching for a place for your family festival? Ihre Hochzeit oder Ihre Firmenfeier? Some company celebration. But Hochzeit, we wanted someone, right? Yes, sprechen Sie uns an. Unser Raum bietet Platz für 150 Personen. So the first person who want to get married and celebrate with many guests in one restaurant, Sarah. Okay, so we got answer for this Sarah, and that is F, last one. Okay, now 18th one we didn't get it. And also in question it was already said, okay, in explanation, that one of the question will have no answer. Probably 18th one is only the same thing where we need to write X because that has no answer. 18 Jens feiert seinen Geburtstag zu Hause und möchte guten Wein anbieten. 18 number I'm reading. And he wants someone to deliver wine, and we didn't see any advertisement that provides wine at home, right? Okay, so that means 18 number question has actually no answer. So what we will write there? X. Okay, and so our answers are F say X B A. X B A, sorry. So let's check the answers then if we are right or wrong. 34. And here you go, Teil 4. Okay, 16 F. Richtig, 17 C. Richtig, 18 X. Correct. Okay, 19 B und 20 A. So our answers are correct. Now I will show you your question paper. Okay. I hope you understood. And because of discussion, it is taking a lot of time. Otherwise, it won't take much time. Okay. So let's see your question. Sechs Personen interessieren sich für Musik. Now see that in that question paper it was all about food. And here sechs Personen interessieren sich für Musik und suchen im Internet nach Informationen. They are searching in Internet some information. Okay. So now it feels, it always happens like when we learn one question paper, students feel like, okay, that was easy. And what we have to solve, that is difficult. Well, why? Because it is about music. Even if I had taken this one first, you would have found this easy, and that is about restaurant food and all. You would find that difficult just because it is new and you have to do it on your own. But everything is same, difficulty level is same in all the question papers. Okay. So now here 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you have to take screenshot of this and see the purpose, what, like who is looking for what, and then help them with the right advertisement. Find right advertisement for them. Okay, you got the screenshot. Now the second page. Here are the advertisements. I will make it 65% probably. Yeah. So here A, B, C, D, A, F. Take the screenshot and now take your time to find the answers. I will show you the answers, but before that, make sure your answers are written already, and you have to mention your answers in the comment box. Whatever doubts you have, whatever you want to understand, know, question, complain, whatever it is, comment box is free for you. Okay, use that and read others' comments also. You will learn from others' comments as well. Okay, So the answers to this is here. Fear, fourth one. Okay, check these answers and tell me out of 5 how many you got correct. Mention that in comment box. I say this again and again, comment box, and very few students use that. Okay, don't be lazy. Done? Did you check? Jackson F, Zipsen say, Aksen A, that is E, not English A. And then Neunsen X, 19th has no answer, and 20th Swansish Bay. Okay, let me know. I'm waiting there in comment box. Okay, and after this, our next module that we are going to do is Huron. Don't miss all this, any of the videos. See you there in our next video then. So guys, that was our Lesen module tile fear part 4. I hope you understood everything. Don't forget to share your answers in the comment box, and also whatever queries, questions, what do you think about this series, these videos, okay, please mention there. So I will be waiting for your comments. Now we will start with our Huron module in our next video. So don't skip any video and don't change the sequence also. Watch everything in proper sequence. Okay.